Hi, I'm here with Randall Culp of CBI. Thanks for joining us today, Randy.
Thanks for asking me.
I understand that you do a lot of 3D and a lot of customization with AutoCAD.
No, not really. No, yeah, yes, we do. We've been doing 3D at refineries, basically. We do a lot of refineries, a lot of process units, and we've been 3D house now for over 5 years, complete 3D, and that's for structural, civil, piping, electrical, instrumentation. We're a full 3D house.
Refineries are very complicated systems, right?
They can be. There's 25 or 30 million pieces in a refinery.
So can you give me an example of something that you have automated through customization?
Our pipe routing. We do full-blown 3D pipe routing with AutoCAD, and we're able to tie it back to a PNID so that we can route a pipe from a nozzle to another nozzle relatively quick within the tool. And it's full-blown 3D with intelligent components tied back to an Oracle database, so that we can then, after the pipe is routed, we can do material takeoffs, we can do dumps to the analysis programs for hydrology, we can dump to analysis programs for pipe stress. There's a lot of intelligence built into the 3D model that we can then extract into other tools for our analysis.
So you use automation not only to create models, but do you have processes that modify them as well in case somebody needs to make a change?
Certainly. It's all spec driven. The spec is part of the components. So if we go into a spec and change a line size, we can tag the line, change the line size, and it will chase itself down and change all the components to match the line size in the proper spec.
How many different programming languages are involved in that?
Oh, gee. We've because it's an old tool, and we started developing the tool for release 9 back in the 90s. It's everything from Lisp through C#, C+, a lot of ARCS-based stuff. There's some VBA in there. We're moving away from VBA. We're trying to port everything into C++ right now. But that's a process. One of the reasons why we're on our older version, we haven't gone up to 9 yet, is because the customization is difficult and complex. Mm-hmm. And we're trying to port things up so that it's more readily upgradable right now. It's a little difficult to take some of our older tools into the newer releases. So we have a bunch of different languages. I have a bunch of smart people working for me, so it's kind of fun.
And do you have any estimate on how this customization saves you time and money? On average, 3D modeling and clash detection within an engineering environment saves between 3 and 5% of the total installed cost of a project. So if you're looking at a hydrocracker unit that's running $500 million, then 5% of that is a great big number. And doing the clash detection and material control in the office can put a lot of money in our pocket. We do a lot of lump sum work where we tell them we're going to do it for a fixed price, and everything we save underneath that is money in the bank. So, yeah, it's profitable. So customization in 3D has been working for you.
It's been profitable enough that the company has set aside my group, to do customization and track those things and move us towards the 3D world.
Well, that's great. Well, thanks so much for your time today, Randy.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us.